What's up, beautiful Fizz fam loyals? This your girl Queen. See me back on your screen. Can you see me? Can you see your girl now? How about now? Cool, that's what's up. Hope you guys are doing good, feeling good. Did you calm down moment and breathing? Staying you, staying true, and staying prayed up, guys. Your girl is back with another delicious mukbang. Okay, this is a quickie, nothing too heavy. I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's some Captain D's. Ooh. Captain D's, guys, okay? So, let me share with you guys what I have on deck. Just something really quick, like I said. I wanted to try their shrimp taco and their, oh, they have it like this, shrimp taco. This is the shrimp taco. Everything just fell out. Lord it be. Okay, this is the shrimp taco. I gotta put all that back in there. That's what makes the taco. Okay, so some a shrimp taco here. Ooh, everything's so easy to fall out. I don't want all the stuff to keep falling out. That's frustrating. Okay, so there it is, guys. Shrimp taco and a delicious, this is a fish taco. Okay. All right. So, and some fries, guys. And some fries. All right. So I'm going to say my prayer and get it in, guys. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body, and I pray for the less fortunate. Amen. Amen. All right, guys, your girl is ready to chow down. Got some organic ketchup. Let's put that right here on the side. And I have my honey garlic sauce. You guys know I can never leave this bottle out of pretty much any of the mukbangs. It's spicy hot, but it's good. Okay. And I have, my water is in the freezer, but I have some Sprite. Okay, so that's like a, okay, well, she said it's Mountain Dew. And I guess it'll do. Okay, so that's fine, because it's somewhere between Sprite, Mountain Dew, and ginger ale that I'll drink other than water, but not a lot of it. So, okay, let me get started. So this is going to be, let me see, I think I'm going to start with this. I need to do, let me see. Yeah, I'll start with this shrimp taco. This is my first time trying this, so your girl about to see how this tastes. Trying to see which end I want to bite. Okay, so I'm trying to sorry guys. I don't want nothing to get away. Everything keeps falling out of this thing. All the fixings. That's how that look up in there. This is really good, guys. First time trying it. It's just all the fixings up in there so good, and the shrimp is good. Tastes really good together like a taco. Everybody got this right?
Yeah.
Y'all like it? Did everybody taste it? Is she eating when she's sitting there talking?
Yeah, she done.
Oh. Did you like it? Did you have fish shrimp taco?
Yes, I had the shrimp, but I didn't get to eat the fish.
Oh. How'd you like the shrimp?
It was good. Not so bad.
Okay. Yeah, this was everybody's first time trying this. I suggested it because I had coupons for it. Oh yeah, you know what? I never did have the coupons. They wasn't coupon, they were just pictures of them. But I have other coupons for Captain D's. But this was still just one. Well, they had these combos right here for $5.99. You get the shrimp and the fish taco and the fries and a drink for $5.99. I think these run $1.99 a piece if you don't get the combo. How did they get away? Come back here. Oh, excuse me. Okay, time to try this delicious fish taco. I can make these actually, because I had plans to make these. But this is one of those fast nights and with no cooking going on. Well, since I bit this side, I might as well continue. Super good. Pretty good. Mm-hmm. Pretty good. The noise you guys are hearing is the baby. She's just running around playing. That's baby Rara, Queen Rara, y'all. That's Mooga Mooga. Mm-hmm. I'll put a little bit on taco sauce before I finish this last bite. Wasn't gonna worry about it. Oh, God. Sometimes it just be anything happening. We're trying to eat stuff like this. Woo! Woo! Mm. Woo! All right, guys. That is going to do it for this mukbang. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Thanks for watching, listening, and watching. And appreciate all of you. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. All right. And woo, it is a wrap, a snap, and a clap, guys. Okay. All right. So It was really cool. It was interesting, guys. Everything was really good. You can try it out for yourself. It's at Captain D's once again, the fish and shrimp tacos. And got a lot of great things coming up for the new week ahead, guys. So stay tuned. This is being posted on a Saturday late night or maybe early Sunday. Okay, and but all next week is going to be lit. Make sure that you go to the community post, our community post, and read the post, okay? What I posted up over there about what's coming up. All right, and stay tuned, guys, okay? So I look forward to, you know, you guys' comments as always. And you guys make sure that you stay healthy, conscious, and fridge friendly. Stay positive. And until next time you see your girl Queen see me on your screen, I am signing out. And I love you guys too. Pieces. Hi guys, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you will be notified whenever